One, two, three, let's go. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Sawadee Cup. Tukon. Hello, everyone. So, this is gonna be a little bit of a different one again because for the first time I will have the mount on the bike and I will try uh, to make one video in dual language. So, I'll be speaking English and Thai in one same video. I don't know if it's gonna work out. I don't know if you guys prefer that one, but I guess we'll find out. Also, I got this microphone here, so I will try to improve the audio quality. So I just came on the big road and I will drive now towards the army base. I think it's called Palang 6 or something. So it's like an army camp number 6. So I'm on the big road between Hua Hin and Chaam. Right now, driving towards Hua Hin from Chaam. And on this traffic light, I will turn left into the camp. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. It's I've been there before, but with the motorbike, not with the bicycle yet. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. So this is it. Aninas Payutini Cup. So the signboard is there, as you can see. So the sign says Sirindon International Environmental Park. So nobody really checks, so you can drive inside. And then we go towards the beach. It's a very nice beach, a very, very, a little bit of a quiet beach. So, okay. And it's nice, very nice. Not many people. Not too far from Chaam or Hua Hin because it's kind of in the middle. And it's basically where I live, so right around the corner from where I live. So I do like to visit this place. Very quiet and nice road to go. And the beach itself, very lovely. I will show you guys when I get there. Drop zone. So this part of the army base I have been a couple of times already, but I didn't really see everything yet. So we'll we'll go around, have a little look around. Of course, there's always some dogs, which I am never worried about or scared of, and they know it. They know and they can feel it. I'm always convinced these dogs, they smell fear, so I wouldn't uh, I wouldn't let them smell the fear, because obviously I'm not scared, but when you are, they will probably do something or attack you or whatever. So go inside here. Smile Resort. It's open, so you can just kind of go. Uh, the quiet, some nice trees. Just lovely. Some bungalows here that I'm pretty sure you can rent. So we'll have a quick stop here. So I can turn here. Okay. So I just use my wheel because I don't want to dismount this. Okay. Okay. So this is where I'll take my break.